Hello and welcome back. I am going to adventure down to another river today. I'm just starting the walk down this way now, and I will be looking for any cool rocks in that I may find here. I will start collecting some smaller, less extraordinary rocks to have a go with tumbling them to see how they come out and if they're hiding any amazing details under that somewhat boring outer layer. So that will be cool, and yeah, let's see how this river is today. I'm just coming up to the water's edge now. Oh. First find of the day. Huh. Neat. That's really cool. That's interesting. On the sun. It's pretty cool. Not what I expected. I just seen the contrast between the two colours. Oh. It's a little bit windy out today. I see this would be another good one to tumble. See how it comes out. Lots of reds today. They always stand out significantly. Okay, so that wind is blowing now and it is pretty cold. I'm going to walk back to the car and I'll drive down to another little spot that I know that there's access, and then I'll head home after that. Hopefully this spot's a little more sheltered from the wind. I'm at spot number 2 now, so hopefully it is a little more sheltered. It feels like it is, although I'm not quite there yet. Yeah, as soon as I hit here, that's when the wind's like, ah. Yeah. Okay, just be here for a little while longer, see what else I can find, and then head off. I'll just grab a couple of random bits and pieces to truck through the tumbler. Just gotta look for a range of colours. haven't had any more luck, so I'll just find somewhere to lay the stones that I have found today out, and then I'll head home and see how close I am to filling up the tumbler. This is what I've found today. So for the tumbler, I will definitely stick to more boring, typical. I mean, there's a bit of quartz in some of these. It will still be interesting to see. I know that some of them are going to be too soft and probably will just disintegrate. I'll tumble all of these that I've found today. They can all be added to the tumbler. So it'll be interesting to see how they come out. I know for a few of them they will likely just fall apart. This is my favourite find of the day, so yeah. Well, thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time when I go collecting some more rocks and start tumbling them. Bye.